Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download PPT from Prezi AI. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first what we are going to do is log into our Prezi AI account, and then if you have already some project here and that you want to download it, what you're going to do is just go here to this project. Then you will see these three vertical dots. Click on that and then click on share. You can also click on edit because we will be basically redirected here to this new window where we can edit and export this presentation. So now to export this, you will go here to the top right corner where you see export button, and then you will select download. And from here, you will select editable PPTX. So click on that. Now what we are need to do is basically wait a few moments that uh, this downloads on our local machine. So let's wait. And just like that, we have it right here. All right, enable editing. And we have it right over here. So yeah, I think this is all. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.